let our members know that as much as we have, a cliche mindset of the insurance is only for the corporate, but then we are also here to let them know that even the omuntu or our micro members, I'm talking about people who are members who are roasting maize, are members in a salon somewhere, in a boutique, metal fabricators somewhere who are making these doors, that they can actually find a product that can have, let it be like a safety net for their businesses, so that at the end of the day they do not lose out. At the end of the day, we move from this business of SMEs only in existence for a year, and then the next year they are jumping onto something else. Would like to change the narrative so that we can, grow our GDP. As we all know that the biggest percentage of our GDP comes from our SMEs. So we believe that if the Mot1C and those that are medium can all engage into this and have a safety net, because the biggest problem is capital or the big loans, and we do not want to hear that anymore. We are trying to get the solution to this, and we make our economy better.
How risky?
We have had several research made, and most of our SMEs, sadly or unfortunately, they are in existence for a very short while. Why? Because, well, some of them do not do enough market survey and research, and the other maybe the different risks, like let me say fires, theft, robbery, and even high taxes in the economy. So why would someone need insurance, or what is the big risk of not having insurance? If you do not have insurance, insurance is like a net. So if you do not have it, most of the times you end up giving, because one, your capital is finished, and then also the banks are maybe having a higher interest rate, and then we start saying government etuyambe. So now we are saying no. Now we're going to stand up for ourselves as MSMEs, and we kubanga ourselves. We help ourselves, and we make sure that the risk of going out of existence, the risk of even failing, some of us as MSMEs are not operating anymore because of COVID that happened 4 years ago. But remember, we've been having insurance in the country for longer than that. So we want to give them this picture that if only we had embraced insurance earlier, maybe our brothers and sisters would not have gone out of business and back to the villages. So a survey that was done by IRA, that is the biggest regulatory body of insurance, out of 514 SMEs, only 30%, out of the 514 SMEs, we found out that over 96% do not have insurance policies. So you can imagine, and those are just out of the 514, and this whole nation is filled with MSMEs. So I could say that as MSMEs or as businesses, we have not yet embraced it, but it's a journey, and we are very hopeful as a federation of small and medium-sized enterprise that the small businesses are going to embrace this, and